So as you know, Linux Mint does not have a traditional factory reset feature, so this is how to factory reset Linux Mint. So the first method, which is obvious, reinstall Linux Mint from scratch. You're gonna download the latest Linux Mint ISO 2024 and create a bootable USB drive or DVD. Boot from the media and follow the installation process, selecting the same partition layout as your current installation if applicable. This method will erase all data and settings, returning your system to its default state, so make sure to back up before doing anything. So if you want to back up, you can use TimeShift, which is a Linux Mint specific backup and restore tool. You're gonna create a restore point before making a significant changes to your system, which like reinstalling, so you don't want to lose your data. You're gonna use TimeShift. If needed, use TimeShift to roll back your system to previous state, effectively resetting your Linux Mint installation. So you can reinstall the root partition if home is on a separate partition. So if your home partition is separate from the root partition, you can reinstall the root without affecting your home directory and its content. So this method will restore your system to its default state while preserving your customized home directory. Of course, you don't want to forget to backup because you're gonna lose your data if you don't. And reinstalling Linux Mint from scratch will erase all data and settings, including user accounts, applications, and configurations. Yeah. So that's basically it.